Hello children, welcome to 6th science class. In previous class, you have studied about food source, ingredients and the sources of ingredients. In this class, you are going to study about the plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one of source of our food. Which part of a plant? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots and even sometimes stems. And even flowers. Have you ever eaten pumpkin flower dipped in rice and paste and fried? Some plants have two or more edible parts, means eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plants gives us oil and the leaves are used as vegetables. Can you think that the different parts of a banana plant that we can use as food? Okay. So before going to that, let us know the parts of a plant. Actually, I have taken one plant here. First, you have to know the parts of a plant. Okay. In the plant, we mainly had two parts. One is root system, another one is shoot system. First, in root system, we have two parts. One is the primary root and the secondary roots. This is the primary root and this is the secondary root. And these are the leaves. You know, no? These are leaves. And this is called the node of a plant. And the distance between one node to another node is called the internode. Here, these distances are called the internode. Next, have you observing the small part here? And is called the bud of a plant. It is the bud here. And this is the stem. And these are the flowers of a plant. This is the parts of a plant. Actually, it is very important to draw a diagram of a plant and to label the parts. Okay, next, plants parts as a food. Look at the table 1.4. They have given the food items as a major source and the ingredients. You have to write plant parts which gives us the ingredients. First one, they have given the brinjal curry. Ingredients are brinjal, chili, oil from groundnut or mustards. So the first one, brinjal, is the which part of the plant it is? Fruit. Yes. Next, chili, which is also fruit, and the oil from groundnut or mustard, which are the seeds. So these are the parts of the plant. They have given two. You have to write two more example and complete this table. Next, there is one activity 5. Okay. Activity 5. First, you have to take some dry seeds of moong or chana. I have taken the chana or gram here. Take small quantity of seeds and take a small container filled in a water and put these dry seeds to that container. I am filling this container with water. Okay. And leave this aside for a day. Next day, drain the water. Okay. And drain the water and wrap them in a piece of wet cloths. Please put them in a piece of wet cloth and keep aside. The following day, do you observe any changes? Any changes in the seeds? Look at here. A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. A small white color structure grown outside of the a small white-like structure may have grown outside the seed, and it is called sprouts of that seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. If not, wash the seeds again. If the seeds are not sprouted, wash the seeds again and put the water again and leave it for one day, and the next day again covered with it wet cloth and leave aside for one day. Then you may see that the seeds get sprouted. Okay, after washing the sprouted seeds, you can eat them. They also can boil. Add some spices and get a tasty snacks to eat. Okay, is it clear how the grams or chana will get sprouts? Okay, next, do you know where honey comes from? How it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keeps in? Bees collect nectars from flowers and convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be not available in the whole year. They are available for part of year. So, bees store these nectars for their use all through the year. This is the production of honey. Okay. So, our next point is, what do animals eat? Do you have any cattle or your pets in your home? For example, cat, dog, cow or sheep? Then you will be surely know about their food. Right now, what that animal eat for their food. Now, have you ever noticed about some of the squirrels, lizard, butterfly, what they are going to eat? Okay, look at the activity 6, table 1.5. They have given the name of the animals and you have to list out food of the animals eat. They have given the name of the animals and you have to find out the food of the animals eat. Actually, I have done some 8 to 9 animals and other 2 you have to do. Okay. So the first one, buffalo. What are the food items of the buffalo? Grass, hay, grain, oil cakes, etc. Next for cat. Small animals, small birds and milks. Right now, cat will eat small animals, birds and milk items also. So the next one, rat. Rat will eat fruits, seeds, spices and meat items or dry fishes. So the rat is going to eat fruits, seeds, pulses, meats and dry fish. Okay. Next, lion. Lion and tiger will both eat other animals. Right now, lion and tiger will both eat other animals. Next, spider. You might have seen the spiders will always eat insects and flies. Insects and flies. So the next one, house lizard. House lizard will eat insects, spiders. Okay. And mosquitoes also. House lizard will eat insects, spiders and mosquitoes. So the next, human being. So food of the human being is fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, right now, etc. Human being will eat fruits, vegetables, meats, fish, oils, etc. Based upon the food the animals will eat, we have divided it into 3 parts: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Then, what do you mean by herbivorous? The animals which will eat only the plants and or plant products. The animals which will eat only the plants or plant products are called herbivorous. What do you mean by carnivorous then? The animals which eat only the other animals are called carnivorous. Then what do you mean by omnivorous? The animals which will eat both plants and animals. Both plants and animals are called omnivorous. In the table 1.5, by looking at the table 1.5, please complete the table 1.6. You have to divide these animals into herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. So look at here. Buffalo, which will eat only the plants and plants product, right? No, plants or plant products. So the buffalo is herbivorous. Next, cat. Cat will eat small animals, birds, milks and milk products, right? No, so it is omnivorous. So next, rat. Rat is also eat fruits, seeds, meats, dry fish. So it is also omnivorous. Next, lion. Lion eats other animals, not any plants or plant products. So it is carnivorous. Next is tiger. Tiger also eats other animals, not plants or plant products, right? No. So it is also carnivorous. Next is spiders. Spiders also eat insects, flies, etc. Only the insects. So they are also carnivorous. Next, house lizard. They are also going to eat insects, spiders, mosquitoes, etc. So it is carnivorous. I have put a star mark here. Means special case. I have put a star mark here means it is a special case. House lizard. Only the house lizard is carnivorous. Other species of lizard belongs to omnivorous because they will eat some of the grass or plant products. So other species of lizards belongs to omnivorous, but only the house lizard is carnivorous. Please note this point. Only the house lizard is carnivorous and other species of lizards are omnivorous. And the last point is human being. He will eat both animals products and plant products. So he is omnivorous. So based upon this table, you have to complete the table 1.6. Actually, I have made here, but you have to complete this table 1.6. Please complete the table 1.4 and 1.6 and send it to my number. If you complete this, then this lesson is over. What we have discussed actually, we have discussed definition of food, sources of food items, first ingredient of food items. Next, we have discussed sources of food items, plant parts, what do animal eat. Based upon what do animal eat, we have divided it into herbivorous, omnivorous and carnivorous. It is clear. If you came across any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.